So you open your AirPods Pro 3 case, expecting that the familiar battery or connection pop up, but it never appears, it doesn't show up. It feels like something is off, right? Well, let's see why it's not showing and how to bring it back in seconds. Alright guys, so first to remind you that to get the pop-up, both of your AirPods should be on the charging case. And talking about the case, make sure especially the case got enough charge. Because if it's low in battery, this might happen. So just go ahead and charge it if needed. And while it charges, and meanwhile, what you can do, especially if the connection pop-up is not coming from settings on your iPhone, just go ahead, turn off Wi-Fi and also Bluetooth. And then just give your iPhone a force restart. Press and release the volume up and down button and press and hold the side key until it shows the Apple logo. After the restart, go back to the same Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings and just turn them on. Let's plug out the charger and open the lid and see if the pop-up is now showing. And as I've told you, in case the reconnection or connection pop-up is not showing, this will work in that case as well. And if your AirPods is connected, still the pop-up is not coming. Now from the Bluetooth settings, just go ahead, forget the AirPods. And before reconnecting, let's reset it once. For that, make sure both the buds are inside the case. Open the lid, make sure the LED is on. Now double tap 3 times over the LED. It'll blink orange for a while and then white LED. Just close the lid for a couple of seconds and open it up again. It'll go straight into pairing mode. You will get your pop-up, just repair it with your iPhone once again. And apart from that, make sure there is no pending software update on your iPhone. If there is an update available, just go ahead and install it. But we didn't get a pop-up on one of our iPhones, and during setup, it prompted us for a software update. The thing is, we didn't update it, and then the pop-up never came. So it's a pretty serious issue. Hope your pop-up problem is solved now. Thanks for watching.